We are discussing linear algebra and the topic is inverse of matrix, and we have already seen what is inverse of matrix in the previous video. Now we will be looking at some important result on inverse of matrix. So there are some important results which are as follows. If a matrix I is a unit matrix or an identity matrix, then its inverse is equals to the matrix itself. So inverse of an identity matrix is always a identity matrix. Inverse of an identity matrix is always a identity matrix. Now the second result is, if determinant of A inverse, if we have to find determinant of A inverse, then we can find it directly by finding out reciprocal of determinant of the original matrix. So if you have to find out the determinant of inverse of a matrix, then you can find it out by directly finding out the reciprocal of original matrix. So a matrix is A is given, and you know its determinant, we know its determinant, then determinant of A inverse can be find out upon 1 upon determinant of O or determinant of A, or we can say directly reciprocal of determinant of original matrix is the determinant of inverse of the matrix A. So this is how we find determinant of inverse of a matrix. Now the third point is, the inverse of a symmetric matrix is always symmetric. The inverse of a symmetric matrix is always symmetric, and the inverse of diagonal matrix is diagonal. So inverse of a symmetric matrix is always symmetric, and the inverse of diagonal matrix is diagonal. So if you don't know what is a symmetric matrix or what is a diagonal matrix, so you can go into the previous video where I have discussed about symmetric matrix and diagonal matrix. You can find out the videos on the playlist. Now if a matrix is given of a size 2x2 where there are 2 rows and 2 columns, then we can directly find out its inverse by checking its determinant. The determinant should be non-zero. We can find out the inverse of a matrix if its determinant is non-zero. So the determinant of a matrix should be non-zero in order to compute its inverse. So in order to find out the inverse of a 2x2 matrix, we can directly use this formula, or you can find out it by using the thing which I have discussed in the previous video, like finding out adjoint of A and determinant of A, and we can find out adjoint of A by finding out the transpose of the elements by replacing the elements by its corresponding cofactors. So this is how we find out the inverse of a 2x2 matrix, and these are some of the important results you should remember for competitive exams.